Yo, 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 what's good, people? I got a wicked unboxing right here, courtesy of my family from Puma and Foot Patrol in tag team action. What we're about to look at is the limited to 200 made in Italy Puma Suedes, which are dropping this Saturday, the 21st of November. Now, the thing is, these are absolutely exquisite, but we're talking about one of the most revered, iconic models in footwear history, as far as I'm concerned. And these bad boys maintain the levels that Puma have been hitting and maintain the levels that Foot Patrol have been hitting for years. So yeah, this is a win. So, the fat laces, all right? This is what we're talking about right here. I mean, for me, Puma Suede, fat laces, it's the drip. I mean, yeah, these came out in '68, there were no fat laces. But when B-boys cemented this shoe as the item of footwear associated with that whole culture, then it was official right there. Co-branded paper on the wrapping. It's a win. Details. It's all about the details on these. Now for me, the Puma Suede is one of the most iconic silhouettes of all time in terms of sneaker history, but just in terms of footwear history and style history. And that's important to consider. Right. And these ones, so cold. So cold. Look at that. Look at that shape. Just look at how there's never been a brand that has devised a shoe that looks so appropriate to the sort of silhouette. These shoes just look so stealthy, just like a Puma is about to pounce. But the thing is, these have been retooled to the OG spec, which is a win. Now, I'm going to go AMSR on you. Let's check out the deep suede that has been employed. Absolutely gorgeous. The subtle branding right there, the gold embossing right there, the beautiful form stripe, one of the most elegant things that we have. And then look at that, the embossed, individually numbered, stamped shoes. There's only 200 pairs of these dropping this weekend. The Foot Patrol logo on the heel tab for the win. And check out the form stripe on the instep. It is tonal, so stealthy. Then, if that wasn't enough, check it out, the co-branding on the tongue label. And then let's flip it to the insole, co-branded there. But if you didn't believe me about the whole made in Italy standards, right there. Now these are absolutely exquisite. The craftsmanship that's gone into these, absolutely superb, right? They've taken it back to the made in Yugo sort of inspired silhouette, which, you know, if you're a Puma collector, you know about this. The made in Yugoslavia Puma Suedes, you know, the most revered because of the shape. But these are on there. I mean, in terms of the history of the Puma Suedes, I mean, yo, the made in Japans were dope, right? The made in Yugoslavias, the original ones, were dope as well in the 80s. But these ones here are right up there. Absolutely gorgeous. The suede, superb. Absolutely superb. And we can see why this shoe here, which first came to prominence in 1968, later endorsed by Tommy Smith, the 200-meter winning athlete at the '68 Olympic Games, the legend himself, and then to all the B-boys and graffiti artists in the 80s who made this the staple. Yes, there were other brands represented. You can go back to the Martha Cooper, Henry Chalfont books, the Jamal Shabazz books, and so on and so forth that document that era. But you will see that the Puma was the most dominant out of all of them. And you know what? Still an exceptional look. Has to be with fat laces for the win for me, though. Yo, shout outs to my Foot Patrol fan for looking out, my Puma fan for constantly showing me love, and to you people as well, yo. Stay safe. One love.